Hello everybody and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I'm your host Soul, and today we're taking a look inside of Boruto Kawaki Set 14 on Blu-ray. So, here we go. The spine. The back. And there. And then the other spine. Take the slip cover off, you get a little more of the same. Now, before we open it, it came with a poster, so I'm going to show you. It's the picture of the front cover. So, poster of the front cover, so there. And then we can get back into it. So, that would be in here, but I took it out to show you. So, there's the cover, or the inside cover art. Here's disc 1. Disc 2. Disc 3. And then you take this out and you get that artwork. So this has been Boruto Set 14 on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.